Okay, well, let's get started. First things first, let's share your bee pollination drawing. I got quite a few, which I'm excited about. So thank you to, we have Banana, Sino, Taylor, Sam, Blue Moon, Funny, Rosie, and Milk. These are some very, very good drawings. Some people like Milk showed the entire process. Then we have some people that just show the bee and the flower and how they interact with each other. Very good. Funny shows the bee falling on all of the plants. Blue Moon shows the whole process. These are excellent, excellent job. Okay, well, let's start. Let's see, I think, who shared last time? I think we shared Rosie and Funny last time, so let's have Sino. Sino, could you tell us about your drawing?
I draw a flower, and I draw a bee, and getting pony from a flower.
Very good. How does the bee help the flower, Sino?
To spread seed.
To spread seeds or to spread something else? I'll come back and ask you in a second, okay? Let's look at another drawing, but excellent, excellent coloring, drawing. I love the flower. It looks really good, Sino. Let's see. Banana, what did you draw? Oh, Banana's not here yet. That's okay, let's take a look at someone else's. Taylor, yours looks really good. I think we might have shared yours last time though. How about Blue Moon? Blue Moon, would you like to tell us about your drawing? Could you explain what you drew, Blue Moon?
I draw a bee.
Mm-hmm. What else is in your picture?
A hat. A honey.
Very good. So how does the bee help the flower, and what does it do with the hive?
No.
That's okay. All right, I see that Banana's here. Banana, could you tell us about your drawing?
Yes.
Go ahead.
The bee take honey to the flower.
The honey, or is it something else? What's the name of all of the little dots in the middle of the flower?
The bee and the flower.
Mm-hmm. The bee uses, how does the bee make honey? What does it bring from the flower back to its hive so it can make honey? It starts with a P.
Pollen.
Pollen, good job. This looks really good, Banana. And I like that you drew the roots, you labeled them. Very nice, Banana, thank you. Let's show one more. Milk really wrote down the process. Milk, would you like to explain, could you explain what you drew? Milk, are you there? That's okay. Well, Milk did an excellent job of showing each part of the flower, the roots, the stem, the flower, the leaf. The bee went to the flower. The bee got pollen on it. And then the bee left to go back to the hive. Excellent, excellent, excellent work, Milk. Since Milk wasn't here, why don't we share one more? Maybe we'll share Taylor's this time. Here we are. Taylor, go ahead and tell us about your drawing.
I draw some bees taking plums from the flowers to the other flowers.
Very good. Excellent. And what does the bee make with the pollen?
It makes honey.
Very good. And what do the flowers use the pollen for? Why do the flowers need pollen? Who remembers?
So they can make food.
Not food. That's what they use the sunlight for and the water and everything. Do you remember in the video why the flower wanted pollen from another flower?
No.
That's okay. Puppy, do you remember?
What?
Why did the flower want pollen from another flower?
I don't remember.
That's okay. Does anyone remember? Who remembers why the flowers wanted pollen? Raise your hand in your video if you remember why the flowers need pollen. George?
My honey.
That's why the bee wants the pollen and the nectar.
My seed.
Say it again.
My seed.
Yes, to make seeds. The flowers need pollen from a different flower to make seeds. So the bee goes around to eat nectar, yummy, yummy, to get pollen to make honey. And in return, the pollen gets spread between all the flowers so the flowers can make seeds. It's part of how they can make seeds, okay? Zakwai and Puppy, did you guys also do your homework?
Yes.
Yeah, Puppy, can you show us yours? Let me make it so everyone can see you. All right, nice, Puppy. Oh, very good. Can you tell us some of the things you drew? I see you labeled the pollen.
I drew the bee, the flower, the pollen, the stem, the leaf, the soil, the beehive, the branch, the tree, the sun.
Excellent. And the sun, that's one of the most important parts. Great job, Puppy. Thank you. All right, and Zook, did you also do your homework? I think I saw anyone else? All right, Zook, do you want to, can you hold up your drawing?
Yeah.
Ooh, very good. You even show the path the bee takes. Could you explain your drawing to us, Zook?
I drew a bee.
What did the bee do? Could you tell us all the places the bee went?
A bee take the seed from a flower to a flower.
Mm-hmm. Took the pollen, right? Took the pollen from flower to flower?
Yes.
And then where did the bee go?
And the bee go into the bee house.
Very good. Excellent job, Zook. Thank you so much. And you had a really nice drawing. I like that you showed the path that the bee took from one flower to another flower and then back to its hive. So the bee spreads the pollen so the flowers can make seeds. Okay, guys, really, really good job. I'm very impressed. You guys did amazing. Okay, let's do a little review by matching. Everyone get ready to draw. Is everyone ready?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, you guys know how it goes. Draw a single line from the picture. Go ahead and start. Excellent, very good, everybody. Nice banana, pasta, very good. All right, it looks like we have the bird nesting as a shelter, the woodpecker pecking at the tree to get food, and the bunnies using the dead tree to hide. Very good job, wow. What about this one? How do animals help plants? Ready, set, draw. Let's see what you guys remember from yesterday. Nice pasta. Good, Susu. Banana, Hainam, very good. Okay, how did we do? I see everyone got the spider, how the spider helps plants, and how the bee helps plants. Very good, and the bird. One person put the bird going up here. So the spider helps protect it. Great job. The bee helps spread pollen so they can grow fruit and seeds. Very good. The bird helps spread the seeds by eating them. And someone put them up here. Someone drew the line here. That's also true. Some birds, like hummingbirds, also eat nectar like bees. Bees eat nectar and collect pollen. Some birds, like the hummingbird, also eat nectar, and therefore they also spread pollen. Very good, everybody. Okay, so real quick, how can the field mouse help plants? Hainam, how does the field mouse help plants? Hainam, how does the field mouse help plants?
To grow,
Look at the picture.
grow food,
Say it again.
grow food,
To grow food, or look at, so how's the field mouse helping the plant? How's the field mouse helping this berry plant? What do you think, Hainam?
I don't know.
That's okay. How about Ray?
The bee takes the pollen, and the field mouse eats fruits and take out seeds.
Very good. The bee spreads pollen and the field mouse spreads seeds. Excellent job, Ray. How does the field mouse use plants? So how do the plants help the field mouse? Susu? What does the field mouse get from the plant?
Food.
Food, very good. So they both help each other. So how can the bee help plants? Ray already said they spread pollen. Sino, how does spreading the pollen help the plant?
To grow new plants.
Very good, it helps them grow new plants. Sino, how does the bee use the plants? What does the bee get?
Pollen.
Very good. They also get something else. Who remembers what else they get? The bee gets pollen and something else to eat. Raise your hand in your video if you know the answer. Pollen and how, Rosie, do you know? The word starts with an N. The bee eats pollen and something else from the plant. Do you remember what it is?
Apple seed.
No, not quite. Good guess though. How about George? Do you remember the word?
Nectar.
Nectar, very good. Bees also get to eat nectar. Everyone say nectar.
Nectar. Nectar. Nectar.
Good. Nectar. Nice job, Pasta. Nectar. Okay, now let's learn our new things for today. Living things need food. Who can read this question? Pizza, can you read the question? I meant Pasta. Sorry, Pasta, you have a slice of pizza in your name. Pasta, can you read the question?
Living things need. What kind of food do you eat?
Excellent. What kind of food do you eat, Pasta?
I don't know.
You don't know. What did you eat for breakfast this morning?
Probably eggs.
Eggs. Very good. What food do you eat? Let's see. Cherry, what food do you eat? Cherry, what food do you eat?
I don't know.
What do you eat for dinner? What do you eat for dinner, Cherry?
I don't remember.
That's okay. Rosie, Funny, what food do you eat?
I eat cake.
Cake. Okay. Rosie, what food?
Pizza.
Pizza. All right, what else do we eat? Moon? Moon, what food do you eat?
Eat apple.
Apples. Yummy, yummy.
And in the morning I eat oranges.
Oranges. Lots of fruit. How about Sam? What food do you eat?
I eat a hamburger.
Nice. Very good. All right, guys. Let's see. Let's get one more. Who has one more? How about Milk? Milk, what food do you eat? Milk, are you there?
Yes.
What food do you eat, Milk?
I like to eat pizza and fruit.
Fruit and pizza. Very good. Also, Milk, you did a really nice job on your homework. I shared it with the class. Very good. All right, on chat, Zakwai said pasta, and Puppy said sticky rice. Okay, guys, this is a great list so far. Who can answer why? Why do living things need food? Why do we need food? Banana? Banana?
Bảo chưa? Nó bảo
Banana, why do we need food? Sorry, Banana, why do we need food? I think it's need. All right, Blue Moon. Blue Moon, why do we need food?
I don't know.
You don't know? That's okay. Taylor? Taylor, why do we need food?
To survive.
To survive. That's a great answer. Anyone else have anything to add? Cherry?
We need food to eat or we will die.
Yes, or we will die. Exactly. Right here we have a bear eating, we have fruit, we have fish, insects, animals have lots of different food. Moon, could you read this for me?
All living things need food. Food give. Let I see, but I don't see. I cannot see.
Oh, is the
Eric, food give them energy to survive.
very good. All living things need food because food gives us energy. Energy. You need energy to run a race. You need energy to eat, to write. You need energy to live. Maybe you have a lot of energy. Show me a lot of energy. You have a lot of energy. Yes, Moon, Rosie, nice. Now you have no energy. Ooh, no energy. Good job, Sino. No energy. Pasta, that was a lot of energy. So we need energy to survive, and we get that from food. What do you see in this picture? What do you see in the picture? George?
I see a food chain.
It is a food chain. Good job. What else? So this is a food chain. What is in the food chain? What else do you see? Zakwai? What animals do you see or plants?
I see a frog.
A frog, nice. Also, how do you say your name? Am I saying it correctly? Can you say your name for me?
The koi.
Zakoy. Okay, sorry, I've been saying it wrong. Thank you, Zook. Okay, Cherry, what else do you see? Cherry, what do you see in the picture? We said a frog. Okay, they're not there. That's okay. We see an owl, a frog. What do we think it is? I think that George already answered this question. Let's see if one more person can answer it. Who knows what this line of living things is called? Sophia? Sophia, do you know what this line of living things is called? George,
No,
George said it earlier. Say it again.
I don't know.
That's okay. Do you know what this animal over here is called? What's this animal? Sophia, what's this animal?
Oh,
An owl. Nice work. Does anyone know what this chain, what this line of things is called? Who knows? How about Susu?
An owl.
Susu, what's this line of living things called? The whole line. What do you think this whole thing is called?
Food chain.
Food chain. Nice work, Susu. It's a food chain. Puppy, could you please read this for me?
A food chain shows the order in which living things get food in their habitat.
Excellent job. It's the order, like first, second, third, fourth, the order in which things get their food or energy. The order in which living things get energy in their habitat. So let's take a look at the next one. Oh, first, why do you think the sun is in this picture? Why do you think the sun is in this picture? Taylor?
Plant needs the sun.
Yeah, the plant needs the sun. Good job. Why is the insect on the plant? Why is the insect on the plant? Funny?
What?
Why is the insect on the plant?
Because the insects eat the plant.
Excellent job, Funny. So the insect can eat it. So it seems like, what is the first part of the food chain? What's the first part of the food chain, Sophia?
wet.
What's the first part of the food chain?
It's wet.
The very first thing in the food chain, where does all the energy start?
Not by the sun.
Excellent job with the sun. The sun gives everything the energy. Let's see. Pasta, can you read this for me? Pasta, are you here? Okay, we'll come back. How about banana? Banana, can you read this for me?
The sun is at the beginning of most food chains.
Without
Without the sun, plants could not grow. There would be no food for animals.
Excellent job. Thank you. So, Banana said, without the sun, what would happen? What did Banana say would happen without the sun? Zook?
Banana said, without the sun, plants is not there and no food for animals.
Exactly. Without the sun, there's no plants. With no plants, there's no food. Great job, Zook. So, what is the first living thing in the food chain? What is the first living thing, Hainam?
In food,
In the food chain? Well, first,
grass.
yeah, the grass. Excellent. Is the sun living or non-living, Hainam? So everyone answer. Everyone pay attention. Is the sun living or is it non-living? Everyone say the answer on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Living.
All right, I hear some different answers. Is the sun living or non-living? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Living.
All right, let's try the grass. Is the grass living or non-living? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Living.
Good. Everyone seems to know the grass is living, but the sun, does the sun make more suns? Does it eat? Does it have food? I don't think so. Can it think? No, the sun can't think. The sun is non-living, and the plants are living. Okay? So, is the sun living or non-living? Say on 3. 1, 2, 3. Good, the sun is non-living. So the first living thing in the food chain is the grass. Where would people be in the food chain? Where would people be in the food chain? Sina, would we be right after the sun? Would we eat the grass? Would we be at the end? Beginning, middle, or end? Beginning? Let's see, if the food chain starts with the sun, the middle is the grass and the animals that eat grass, and the end is the animals that eat animals. Where would people be? The beginning, the middle, or the end? Let's see, everyone, let's circle the one that you think. Beginning, middle, or end? I want everyone to circle the one that they think on 3. Ready? Get ready to draw. Circle where you think people are in the food chain. The beginning, near the sun, the middle, or the end? All right, we got some guesses. It looks like we have the most around middle and end and a few around the beginning. So as animals, we cannot make food from the sun. Plants make food from the sun. Animals eat plants, and are we plants or animals? Everyone say Harriet, are we plants or animals? Animals. Excellent job. We are animals. So we are in the middle because we eat plants like fruit and vegetables, or the end because we eat animals like cows or pigs. All right, Ray, can you read this for me?
Plants are next week in the most food chains. People are at the top or end of many food chains.
Very good, Ray. Thank you. So, why do you think scientists call it a food chain? Taylor,
I don't know.
do you have a guess? Maybe Sophia, Taylor, or Sophia? Why do you think scientists call it a food chain? No guesses?
No.
Susu?
Because this is a food and it changes.
Exactly, there's food and it's in a chain. Chains go like this, they interconnect, they go in a row. So there's food in a chain. Great job, Susu. What do the first animals in the food chain eat? For example, the deer's the first animal, the fish are the first animal, and the flies, the butterflies are the first animal. What do they eat? Zook?
They need food.
What food? What do the first animals in the food chain eat?
Eat the flower.
Yeah, they eat flowers. What else do they eat? Rosie? What do the first animals in the food chain eat? What are all of these that they eat? The first animals, what does the deer eat? What does the fish eat? No, not meat. Deer don't eat meat. Blue Moon, what do the first animals in the food chain eat? These first ones.
A deer.
What do the deer eat? What do you see in the picture?
I don't know.
Okay, let's have one more person give it a try. One more. How about Sam? Sam, what does the deer eat?
The deer eats fruits.
Fruits, right? So what do all the first animals in the food chain eat, Sam?
What?
The first animals in the food chain, what do they all eat? What are these?
What do they all eat is meat and
What are these?
plants. They eat plants.
Very good. So plants get food from the sun. So the first animal in the food chain has to eat plants. What do the last animals in the food chain eat? Dino? What do the last animals in the food chain eat?
An eagle.
Yeah.
Bird, a lion.
What do they eat?
A lion eats a deer.
Very good. So the first animal eats plants. The last animal eats animals. Okay, let's put these in number order. What is the first thing in the food chain? Where does it start? Susu? The sun. Excellent job. What would be the second thing? What's the second thing? What's the next thing in the food chain? Banana? Grass. Very good. And the third thing? Zook?
The mouse eats the grass.
Good. The mouse eats the grass. So it goes sun, plant, an animal that eats plants. What's the next part in the food chain? Milk? Milk, what's in the food chain after the mouse? Is it the hawk or the snake?
Snake.
Snake, very good. So the snake eats the mouse. And then what's the end of the food chain? What's at the end of the food chain? Moon. Moon, what's the end of the food chain? What's the last one, number 5?
Here's number 5.
Which one?
The hawk.
The hawk. Very good. All right, guys, good work. Okay, we're out of time, so we won't draw the food chain for the people. I can do it really quick, right? We have the sun, and then we have maybe a carrot. All right, and then maybe the person eats the carrot, or maybe a pig eats the carrot. Curly tail. And then the person eats the pig, right? So people tend to be at the very end of the food chain, eating the pig or eating the carrot. Okay, great work, guys. Your homework tonight. Everyone pay attention and look at me. Your homework tonight is to pick a habitat. We learned about the rainforest, the desert, the grasslands, the forest, ocean, and lake. So pick a habitat. Number 2, write the habitat at the top of a paper. Number 3, draw the sun, a plant, and some animals in a food chain. So here's an example. 1, pick a habitat. I pick the ocean. 2, write the habitat. I wrote ocean habitat at the top. 3, draw the sun. 3, draw the sun, plants, and animals in a food chain. Are there any questions about homework? Raise your hand in your video if you have a question about homework. Zook?
But I cannot remember.
Don't worry, the directions will be in the email, okay?
Okay.
Any other questions, George?
But I cannot remember too.
Don't worry, that the directions will be in the email, okay? But do you understand the directions?
Yes.
So 3 things. Choose a habitat, write it at the top, and then draw a food chain from the sun to the plants to the animals. Okay, I'll see you on Monday, so you have all weekend to draw.